Hi, welcome to the next video, Move and Copy. I'm going to use the model I did last time, and I'm going to go to the toolbar and get the Move/Copy tool. Click and let go of the left mouse button. If I bring it down into the model, I'm going to go over the top surface of the model. You see it goes dotty, that's the one I'll select. I'll click and let go with the left mouse button, and then just drag. And you'll see I'm moving that top surface. The rest of the model is attached, so the model is modifying itself appropriately. I can specify the distance I want to move it, 1000, 1 meter, hit enter. I've now moved that roof 1 meter higher. The same icon, the move icon, go over the surface again, but this time tap the control key on the keyboard. A little plus sign appears by the icon. Now if I click and let go, and then move up, I'm doing a copy of that surface and it's disassociated from the model. I can type in the distance just as before, 2000, hit enter, and I have done a copy of that surface 2 meters above the previous one. We can do the same with lines. The dots are a surface. If you go over a line it turns blue. Click and let go, drag. Exactly the same as a surface. It's still part of the model. I can just drag out and it moves appropriately. Same again, over the line it goes blue, hit the control key to get the plus. I'm now copying. I can drag out, let go, and I've copied the line. Okay, so that's it for my general technique videos for the moment. If you've enjoyed them, if you've got any comments, I've got chat and email links on my main page. Please let me know if they've been useful. Next I'll move on to some house specific modelling videos. So, see you again. Cheerio.